Hey guys, I'm out in this lake. It's a private owned lake. There's a dam over there. You can come here and rent a kayak, single person one, the double one. You can rent a canoe and some other stuff. And the boats, those are private boats that you can dock your boat here for the year. But they just have the paddle boat, the rowboats, I think, the canoes and the kayaks out in this lake. It's a nice lake. It's big also. And there's a dam over there. I don't know the dam name. This is in Monroe, Connecticut. And it's not expensive also. I'm here with my kids. And I'm gonna go out there.
What are you doing? Don't crash into us. Yeah, you laugh.
Alright, so those are the double, the kayaks, the open type. That's a pontoon boat out there. It's a big lake. So it's we are on the corner side of the lake. It's a deep lake. It's like a very deep lake. I'm not too sure. Pause it. Look at the ducks. Let's go see the ducks over there. They're swimming away. They're scared. Don't scare them. So we're in the shade right now. It's a very hot day today, guys.
They ran away.
Alright guys, so I'm switching my canoe. I'm going in the kayak, the double person one. I switch in the corner of the lake. You can come out. It's sandy here. It's not deep. So I'm switching. I'm getting this one here. Okay, so I'm in the kayak and out we go. So I'm finished. This is where they have the boat and stuff. I think I rented the boat for an hour. There's a play area also. I think they have a diner or something in the front. I'm not too sure. It's a nice place. Okay, so they have like a beach area here, a sandy beach area. You can come here, parking outside.
Wait, Mama, can you use those tubes? I mean, who left it there? Yeah.
So that area there, you can come and sit there and have your picnic tables, Adirondack chair, the dock for the boats here.
I need to change into my swimming pants.
Okay, so they don't have no lifeguards here, so swim at your own risk. They have a sign. They have a little play area for kiddies here. The beach chairs over there. Some more docks over there to dock the boats. And sitting area on the other side there, and the jet ski to park your jet ski. They have a hammock here also. Another picnic area here with fake grass. I think this is fake grass.
Kind of like the hammock at our house.
Alright, so the owner just set up this volleyball net here. So we're gonna play some volleyball here. They have a fire pit also here in the sand for the afternoon, evening. You can come sit by this portable fireplace here. These chairs. It's not busy as yet because it's only the, I think, the second or third day of summer. So if you have little kids, you can bring them here. They can play in the sand. They have some toys here, or you can bring your own shovels and trucks, and you can build a castle.
We are cleaning rocks, trying to find. Look, look, look. Look. I look over. That's right, that's right.
Alright guys, so I didn't get the video the outside of the place, but it's called Lake Zoar in Monroe, Connecticut. You can check it out. If you like the video, click like, thumbs up, share the video, subscribe to see more videos, leave a comment down below, and thanks for watching.